Today we're going to focus on marijuana and its effects. Most people believe that marijuana has no negative effects. However, there were findings that marijuana has a very negative effect on the brain. The THC interferes with the brain's ability to distinguish between stimuli and reality. It does affect the brain in a negative way and can possibly cause psychosis. In other words, the THC can induce symptoms of psychosis. When a person experiences long-term use of cannabis, it is also linked with an increased risk of schizophrenia. An individual may experience psychotic symptoms and not be able to determine the difference between what is normal and what is abnormal. When the study was conducted with 15 men, all the men showed a significant increase in psychosis from the THC levels increasing in the brain. It altered the prefrontal cortex characteristics in the brain and caused psychosis. More so, the study showed that the effect of the THC drug influenced the blood flow through the brain and the activity of the brain in that region of the prefrontal cortex. Popular to contrary belief, please do your research when it comes to THC. Most people believe that THC is not addictive. It is a very addictive compound as it is a chemical. It is a chemical that influences the brain in a very negative way if it is used on a daily basis and abused. In addition, because marijuana is so popular and easily accessible, it is still an illegal drug in some countries. However, because of its accessibility, people believe that it is just like having alcohol, except that marijuana is considered a gateway drug, which leads to other drug use, such as cocaine, heroin, LSD, and more. Marijuana does alleviate symptoms of cancer, pain, and does reduce nauseousness in some people and in mental health conditions such as PTSD. Although 28 states and Washington, D.C. have legalized medical marijuana, it is still considered to have long-term effects on the brain. Therefore, they have approved a pill that contains 100% THC called Marinol for therapeutic purposes. Please do your research and teach your children about marijuana and its effects and its dangerous side effects of psychosis and possible schizophrenia. Any chemical that is used to enhance the altered state of your brain can affect your everyday life, causing problems and interfering with your healthy, long-term lifestyle. Any drug that has a hold of you and you don't have a hold of it, it is considered an addiction. On top of the fact that it's considered an addiction, if it has control of you and you do not have control of it, then it is a deadly substance.
Please don't do drugs.
The purpose of this film is to create awareness, a positive awareness movement.